Introducing one of the world's only regenerative power door operators. The 5800 series ADAEZ from Norton Door Controls is a simple solution for high-traffic doors that occasionally require automatic operation. The unit's regenerative drive system creates its own power through manual operation. No wires necessary. If electrical power is necessary, a transformer kit can plug the operator into a common outlet. The unit mounts like a traditional door closer and protects the door, frame, and operator from high wind and abuse. An optional interface module connects the operator to wireless push buttons, access control systems, and electric locking devices. A patented auto-tune feature sets door speed and force parameters in compliance with ANSI standards to ensure user safety. The Norton 5800 series ADAEZ is a simple, low-energy solution for a multitude of applications from open to close.